welcome to my channel. So today we will review how can we extend Magento out of box GraphQL query for customer orders. This video is for beginners who recently started working on Magento2 GraphQL. Sometime we are getting requirement that we want to extend Magento out of box GraphQL and we want to add a few additional fields into that. So this is very simple. Let's check how can we extend that. So first of all, we have to create custom modules and basic required files like registration.php and module.xml file, and we have to register our module. So this is registration.php file, this is module.xml file. So into this I have added one sequence like Magento sells GraphQL, because I am extending Magento GraphQL for customer orders. So now main point is that we have to define that our custom fields into schema.graphql file. So here I am extending credit memo. I am adding additional field created underscore add. So Magento by default is not providing created underscore add field. So for learning purpose I am adding this field, and I am also extending order total. I am adding total underscore refunded value. So Magento by default is not providing this value. So for learning purpose I am adding this value. So this is simple. We just have to define resolver class. So here I am adding model resolver and credit memo details. This is PHP class files where I will define this attribute value and return. Also for the order total I have created another resolver class file, order total details.php file. Okay, so these changes we have to do in schema.graphql file. Now let's check resolver file, how exactly we can define those things. So first of all, let's check credit memo details. So we just have to create a simple class file where we will use Magento out of box classes, and this is a resolve function where there are required parameters are there, fields, content, resolver info, all those things. So first of all you have to check we are getting that credit memo interface details into that value model or not. If not, then we will throw that error. So Magento by default returning this model into that Magento defining credit memo object. So using that object we can retry all the details of credit memo and we can use it. So we just have to define into one variable where we are retrieving credit memo object, and we just returning get created underscore add detail. So in this field we are getting value of credit memo created underscore add date. Okay, so just simple thing is that we just have to retrieve this detail and return it. And now let's review order total detail. Similar thing, like a class file you have to create. You have to define that useful classes which we are going to use, and this resolve function with required parameters. So instead of credit memo we are using that order object, and we are retrieving order currency code as well as order total refunded amount. So in this return value, I am using that type is that in schema.graphql I am using money type. Money type is nothing but we have to return those values within certain format. So value will be in numeric, and we have to return the currency as well into this format. So Magento using type money for all the total related attributes. Okay, so what I am doing is that I am just retrieving that total refunded value from order object, and I am retrieving order currency code. I am just returning this value as per defined format of money. Okay, so this is all simple things. After that we have to run set upgrade command, and this field will directly included into that customer order details. So now let's check into the Postman. So I am opening that order details. Okay, so here in this request I have added credit memo created underscore at as well as total refunded. Let's check that. Okay, so here you can see that I have included this attribute as a part of credit memo object, and I have added this total underscore refunded as a part of order total. So I'm retrieving value as well as currency into this. Now clicking on send button and let's check the response. Create underscore at is there. You can see into the credit memo there is a create underscore at, and that value is available. So this is nothing but a credit memo created date. So today I have created credit memo, so this will this date is today's date. Now let's check total refunded. Okay, so here we can see that total refunded amount is there and that value and currency. So in this way we can extend Magento out of box GraphQL. We can add our like additional attributes as per the requirement. We can customize it, customize the value, customize the written format of those fields, and in this way like we can achieve this type of requirement. Okay, so you can try at your end. If you have any query, if you are getting any issue, then you can just post a comment in this video and I will try to resolve it. Okay, thank you so much.